si asia magate pa magala ba ba msia no ga vocho gba si vio ga no akologio afo de ka nglogo akavao mi ye be nya to gbi oloko ka jaga ka gaje pepe gbaga mo bo pe gbe ya epe gan wo nya didim la blog gan mo he cho gbeda si gan re ne mi am gan le du gan mo ta du gan re ne si ton
Top FM.
avao mi na me churu never for ji pledge jo papa papa si pele fofo gbogbo are ne authentic mama le 103.1 FM le top FM de dulenyo bobo do na lata.
You are welcome, MFA, authentic mama, on top FM. You are welcome, MFA, authentic mama, on top FM.
Hey, Abato, radio Casanela.
Oh, I'm not mama. Au baby, na no baby group how me never me fa ba do top radio ba radio ada top them I be atoji kuna top FM one no
abo Ghana to Konya Fangoka mele UN General Assembly Hall masha mo na to authentic mama MFA the top 103.1 atako
for how mi vanya rote MFA baro how mi vanya rote Avaro for how mi va mi arote. Avaro how mi va mi arote. Avaro for
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Oh, I'm a father, and me over. Oh, I'm a 5 year girl. I'm a father of one. No, Cavamijo, a Paola Toji. Oh, you.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Hey, Baba, what do you do? Make you change Shakara station, make a year proper program for Top FM. You don't know, say MFA Day on air, MFA Authentic Mama.
Top Radio back for
Hey Baba, what you do? Make you change Shakara to make I you don't know say MFA dey on air, MFA authentic.
Dunanyo bobo do na lata.
You are welcome, MFA, Authentic Mama, on Top FM. You are welcome, MFA, Authentic Mama, on Top FM.
Hey, Abato, radio Casanela.
Oh, I'm not Mama. Oh, baby, now look, the how me fabado top radio back. Radio that top them. I told you kuna Top FM. One no.
Ado Ganato, Ukonya Fangoka, Mele, UN General Assembly Hall, Masha Monaruto, Authentic Mama, MFA, the top 103.1.
Avaro vo vao mi va mi arote. Avaro vao mi va mi arote. Avaro vo
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Au, MFA galamia oge. Au, MFA viegela. MFA egwa no kaba mijo. Egwa ole toji. Orio.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Hey Baba, what do you do? Make you change Shakara station, make a year proper program for Top FM. You know say MFA day on air, MFA Authentic Mama.
Top radio back for
Hey Baba, what you do? Make you change Shakara to make us get your program from FM. You know no say MFA dey on air, MFA
Hana Fuduka agere tome eto alo todo la vavao mana na nyebe ofoga aton minute bla aton voade 5:56 p.m. top 103.1 FM Papa Laoji ele authentic mama MFA Penkosem live nyele transmitting to 40B Royal Castle Road G Machle messages ado yele vava le Facebook G authentic mama fan page G pe messages ado machlado Doris, Doris, Sister Doris, Bramson, Bo, Ebe, good evening. Sister Doris, Fika Leponye Chena Manya, Afeto Mike Aglevo, Ebe,
Top radio back correct.
Afeto Mike Aglevo, Ebe, the only authentic mama is on air. Listen to her. Thank you so much for Mike Aglevo. Afeto Ebe, Master C Kotoka. Good evening, mommy. God bless you for the good work you are doing for Mother Ghana. My greetings to Uncle. My greetings to Uncle Francis inside Makata Hills. Authentic mama, we are proud of you. Thank you so much. For Francis Nyonyo Hambe, hi, authentic mama. Good evening. I am watching you live. Inside Medina Maya Hot. Okay, Medina Maya Hot. Greetings to all Votarians. All Votarians in the Diaspora Caucus. And Diaspora Caucus. Okay. Members at Medina La Nkwantana branch. Okay, Voter Diaspora Caucus. La Nkwantana branch to Obe Mikata Voter Gbeji Mule. Okay, Gbeji Mule. Okay, that is their slogan. Voter Gbeji Mule. Obe Yedogbena Diaspora Caucus Kata Ekenye members Okata Medina branch La Nkwantana branch so Ebe Gbeji Mule yata ya don kutibe ebi here be mi apofu awodeka Echo Francis Nyonyogbo Peace Awudi Mama, hello, Sister Peace. Awudi families are watching you now. Thank you so much. Mr. Alofo Kobla Geshin Awudi. Cho Lebanon, School Junction. Plesuna, Ple Evia, Ple Afemeto Katan Sister, Mikata, Egbefe Donami, Egba, Yawenye Ameyo, host authentic mama.
Top radio back correct.
Yawenye Ameyo host Egbe, and Doya Abe you will not provide a lunch nam Egbe. Mabadunu you much of Makumava Dometameva Dunu, a friend of the Drake Mekadukpo, Oyobe, Kokonte, face the wall. Ble nkatin kwai alon kati alo azidechi tokiado for nam Egbe Lebanon School Junction. Ebe yiwe na ahos megbe madunu makon sema afenu duduma makova radio jumaba fono na midiko yata awudi fomi okata medakpe na me miawe po ameji Egbe especially afieto alo afejipola afeto Geshin awudi kobla Audi Mackless no that grace aludaris amego makon konye Egbe ewe danwa akpe ya daddy dokplo akpe na mikata maona do adote fena me yawe enonye ku FN son ya voix imeka do face the world ekekpo ya tawo you adanam ne mad to face the world ma Egbe hafi mava edome ya tameta pena awudi fomio efokobla Egbe fedona mikata maona do tefe Yawe po authentic mama G le School Junction Lebanon School Junction akpena me okay Elikem la fête Tolame, okay, Elikem la fête Tolame, Elikem Bobo Group Tole Medina, o le kponye live, obey you le emoji authentic mama. Ye mekanage be 2025 Bobo Street Carnival Keka Boji Nogbe le hope Elikem Bobo to ha ole jajrado wom anno ehobiblia me this year ehobibli toke onye wadakona o na lo politivity kwa na obo wona nya kpona nyamia dakona o Elikem Bobo Group le Medina o le group ame eyo obo mi afa vote obi agba mi dakona o obo slogan nyebe Elikem la fetola me okay. For God will not leader me do benami members so ame siame mi awele do beke rejoice sister rejoice kudo here be good evening authentic mama watching you live from Dansuman. Keep the fire burning for Volta and Ghana. God richly bless you. I am rejoice kudo here le Dansuman. Thank you sister Rebecca Dagaju, aka Sister Becky. Good evening, authentic mama. Your daughter Becky watching you live from East Airport. Okay, Meduk Bena Evinye Rebecca Dagaju, aka Sister Becky. Live East Airport.
Top radio back kore.
Ople afeko blibo lakata Madam Grace or Ben. Okay, gbogbo na don call down. Ne makpon konye ne matwa yo matu bena madama. Ople afeko blibo lakata akpebe mi le toaji le authentic mama pom. Madakuku ne meva moji hadewa ekema na yi authentic mama fan page on Facebook Malekle. Authentic mama fan page le Facebook akpom live la fima aleke me kole udu aleke me kole wona o kata ele live la fima nene make mana na nyebe atenwa ka akpom ha live le Top FM online on YouTube ya fima na subscribe na follow mi afa stories so video so kata le loaded la fima akpono siano mi le live le siana YouTube page Mia novio dadao mia fo pleto yo l'America to couple Canada to come
Top radio back kore.
Yo ha wo wodeka eye ole authentic mama pom fien ya ole noa nyefe program transmit lofe TV play Facebook G eyata me yo katanye evi ofe habobo menola l'America to come kwa Canada, they are also live and watching the show live from here. Mrs. Grace Oben, I'm making you see you on SC Beauty Clinic. And Medok now, plus no perfectly bolakata. Mrs. Grace Oben, CEO of FC Beauty Clinic. Dada Medok now at a petty. Madogbo matitune na kava emoyachi nyafonu na academia onple advertado ha akpenao. Okay, my messages to ado ha na makle messages ado
Top radio back kore.
You ate the face the war alone thanks to the Awudi families. Yes, so for and the kako pede tanya the kako ba do face the wall ya am a cover le doya pleneji economy elabe miatom ye paul man of it ga Thomas Ganya many energy view my ben apacho so I would the family so for dada obema dak penami nya we authentic mamaji egbe togbe olokojoko ha elemoji le miakpom apeto Alo efo Kofi ekenye second vice of Siana ekenye Siana if you offer habobol America to come Canada fe branch miakpom live ebe yele twaji kleme Apeto Francis nyonyo ebe medogbe na authentic mama mecho hasiele fiendom na Mr. CK nyonyo le asafo
Top radio back kore.
Dora nyonyo le Medina EP Chelsea di meto kata Reverend JCK maunyo nyonyo le Kumasi Amakom Bele nyonyo omio kata ebe medu de haji mianovi ele efie donami. Eya be echogbonye ina Reverend Harrison. Menglobe senema afisa fikene la kponye chua hodo dio na. Yes, I'm doing well, Reverend. Akpe Echogbonye, ayina nyefe invisible producer de Kabefe, Afeto Emmanuel, Ameganshi Gameli, formerly of GBC, Eletwaji, Medogbe now pla fe kobli bolakata, Ameke le production wo, le ajamenam, akpe now. Okay, music ava mekatiju, ezo ngofe, mele message so claim tie. Okay. Afeto Winfred. Afeto Winfred Kanda. Afeto Winfred Kanda. Echo Peki Avetile. Enele nkonye sema afonye. Ehana ina otohede. Good afternoon, Authentic. How are you doing? Please do not forget to give us shout out Sienna 2025 in Dallas during your program. Of course, President Imangobel Meleji. Melegbe fandom. Na tukogbaja Garcia Gamalo yo katambe epeya mefe Sienna convention aka ebiofe hapo fu aloha boy kele America kle Canada odoago efese afele against wenu wo conference garde odinaga he governor amunu tuame cover wona dovo epeya ma ele Dallas, le Texas, Ajagomele, Agas, when Kekebla, Evoisie Keliagbe, le Dallas, le USA. Ofe Ezimenola, le President, Ayanye, Doctor Chachu Nyamadi, Eya, Lengona, Efeyame Faza, Wanakata, the Fiato, Ajegato, le Dallas, Efeyama, Omin, Aza, Alegbebe, Ye, Nefa for the Kaha, Elo Monti, La Fuma, Mabak, our coverage, Aka Covenamia, Balekami one, Efesia Fe, Eya Tahaya, Eyina Sienna members, so Kata, Romanamia, Niebe Midrado, Nikata Miedota, Dallas, Le Texas, USA, Akavado, Feyama Fe. Sienna Fazanga Ayina Nyefe production manager le USA Afeto Steven there Alo Efo Steve there. I salute you for you. Really dodgy. Efeyame ha ona menyabe ogbo election ye ogbe atia enunola ye na Sienna love you ofe haboboa wakatia nuka leaders ye yata le Dallas afuma ye wona katangboji no gbele Efeyame nyawe le sosoga obe mado jana mi don gova Dallas to be you ready na mi le Efeyame fe Sienna conference ya. Authentic mama, the 103.1. Authentic mama, the be enyadwe wowo efe video eke ko covenant ya nye affect gbagba ameyo wo na nyadwe ase achobi to ase nyaye fiko akọ ifi ase akoya fia obe video eke le miaun alonu eke nye video eke do agocho nkoko alokoko nsawo wo ma ya nye affect gbagba ya ta meka gba fedekeda madeke ji o gbato na da sile no vito one of mane total ga at the minute we at the 6:11 p.m. Top Radio 103.1 Authentic Mama MFAKLE Junenyo Bobobo Show Frank Kosemnele live from 40B Royal Castle Road Aji Accra Kokomlemle, but we are live across the world on our social handles Top FM Online on YouTube. Medekumi subscribe me, follow me. Le Top Media, le Facebook, Top Media on Facebook. Le live, le Top 103, Top Radio 103.1 FM, le TikTok, and le live, le Siana YouTube page. Siana Facebook page. Ya fuma na subscribe na follow Siana. Nyano video la America du come pe TV play radio la fuma ye okona mya pe show la fi ko ina. Ya ta yo ha o le toji le mya nkosem ye dakpe na o ye we le toji mya we le enyasem. Egba enu eke wuntimi afonu tu ya elevevede ya ta ma glo newspaper headlines nami nemya no tame bom lewu afima bu monami nemya ne demya fese so aglo chonti maka foha de ka ve afimi abayiji lakpa maka kesinya odare na no tame bom neme bu mona o le phone in segment ma aton ado so aglo chonti to do lava vao obene vevie dodo hia mekawo fomo yata menye gasia game ekomi ano ha do na mi ano vioko mi asenya o ademia soso aglo awebe to corner ingo abeleke megblea fian ya alo melenopua mi afa duplola His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ele voter region agavaji afi nyano viyo nye angotoe echi tidal waves enofu denao echima abagba avafa feme aglobo no kata ejo nchadova yi leti adova yi ye mi afa duplola edongbe nao be ya akpo noke ya awocho enu maunti ngbedodo sokplife nyinyi eya tai memele no poma nya fe duplola ame kenye no tefe wala fe duplola ame idongbe eyo wajia ele amunu to amela gaveji fifilai eya pakple minister for tourism eke kanye MP for Ketting Off ekenye nya tomya pe novi jifa honorable jifa gomachi Belebubwa other certain ministers so housing project housing minister kleto Olafima eye ole cutting saw egbe ole angbakum akodje egbe alo akofia de kobe eyi John Dramani Mahama His Excellency pe government ya awo second phase of the Ketasi defense ya jegome lafima awe be miano video le atoa o hawa gbodeme le tidal waves fe nyaome no vi todola enye nyanyia de na mi amonu to ameto enya kela sio aba mecho afima amecho amonu to ame amecho area mapuku hechile nyadema leke na agbo na president egbe ola afima le wona wo mele bobobo crowd enye nyajojo gbanto nyajojo velia eyanye energy 1 CD energy sector levy ma eje edowo gome to leti ya penkeke we are deliaji Wednesday via ye 1 CD energy sector levy eke o converse o takpepe me o glona to competebe Ghana to mi pede ejidudu ye yaun ne yaton efe gbogbo yo ni afe energy sector he dudrayin leleti enyi alo efe nyi yo via efe sonle ewebe light of plenya o kavale fude kakia eyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama fe agenda Kenya resetting of Ghana and every aspect of Ghana bakple 24-hour economy eke ekogbo be one odowo za ndi ndofia yin bakade za una kamo aya gbo pleto wa yo matter well na nye be nya fe light o mele stable alo light o mele on 24/7 wa edoma pukuma ijio eyata ebia to Ghana to call metosi be amesiame na dedicate hand nuka one cedi peko vevie to ameyo yava je petrol evulemia sekreto ne me je petrol what the one cedi peleme eye one cedi ma wa popunu eye wa ko solve alo wa ko wo kuhiyo kata egadudu yo alo gayo miedo hele energy sector alo afi miape electricity nyawa wako adoda ekema mianai ababrochi light de kama off edona noji 24 hour na idomefia me agbo ayinde agbo amedena yundo amedena izame amedena agbo unti pleto na yato awe eyata nyato o dasire lese o takpepe me levi maji eje dogome choncho kuda ekenye 16th of July ya eje dogome tane never play alone je petrol alo fuela one cedi man akpebe eje dogome wa ade ewe wako awo donaduko pengo yiyi eyanye nya jojo velia nya jojo tonli anye abaleke duplola ka globe eyi meke evazijia yekpebe enugede ugbelele dukomewu elabe eganyao yape ganyao peteva obasa egameba le dukosio elabe duplo hayo no efenyi vaya odoga kakaka legbebe Ghana miele feme eyi edu amekata no sese eyi webe miaunto mi dakonai be yava ava tronua eyata yeva eyi dongbena dukobe na evade ayi ma wonu abaleke eduplo hai no jiva yi wonu duga alo ogben garden nudo fukun ekeme hiabo agben garden wo abe cathedral fe national cathedral ya fe etutu ekezu edo heli egagbogbo mayi mepeto iyi ma wonu no enu gede ado fuku amehia wa agben garden wo kake duplo hai over ya ogben garden no webe egame kava no dukosio eyatane yeva yi ma we sigbo nyata fe as part of President John Mahama's expenditure cost-cutting measures, abaleko don bebe na yeva ya de efeku like manye gado efe manye fedo nu ya cut nu mado aleke oglana gabasa ya tote nu mawa eva jegome eko do adovado tome eke awebe eya oduplo pokplo ya ministers yo katan le ete ame yo katanye pa appointees so wa zo de circle de dodo nu code of conduct ekwedra ina ministers o enu eke wa wo plenu eke ma wo aleke wa ho egayo fuku wa ta ho egayo fuku mata ho leke wa wo pleto edo zozo ade nu alodo code of conduct ade dan ina be ale wazo eye uncho ha mye sebe be egadodu vivivo nu achile duko popolo penya oma eva globe ye enuado fe wo le duko maka nyo ya gbanto yen be ye cat ye fe ministers over anyigba ya doji poto fe leti yin alo efenyi yova ya ministers yo kenomiasi a ono 100 and something vai kefifia eyi maka wode no la be minister de se declare efe deputy paklo fe vu pro security plan no sanwa menye gavi o Ghana le gbon ya ta ya reduce alo ya deji poto ya ta ejegome be a cut cost na do call banto wonye be ministers wa from 100 and something abazu 60 eyata assistant ministers yami apeduklo la yo kole dowo fifie unchoko owu ame ene mamle ke na we be wanyi system ministers unchoko odo esongo wa o vetina ole south akpepe me yo han wa bakpede du kokpopolo kakia he kept his promise system ministers as one of the measures eke cut allo cost cutting measures yo kode etome evele anya be ebe ministers yo kata yetia system ministers yo bela appointees yo kata nkweto wa o ma ton kwa choko be yo zomo ya brochi le du kope ga ako du kope ga kwa zomo ko be yo ya brochi alo le du kope ga fen komo ebe no makata maka joneno. All travel by his appointees require presidential approval. Amesia meke le yo popolo teke itia duplola lo edo de woda le dukoma ma choko azomo ya bruchi alo abe zomo ya fiade koko imanyao na dasi de fe mo so chi ple egai ple no ke ohia ko ohia be wa yi na me hia ko mayo egagbegbele ma pete ya to tenu enobubu wo e ka ba cancellation of fuel allowance for appointees ya to minya eduplola ya o ple o fe pede to yo ple minister so si o ple to appointees o kata gedea onana for alo amiwo free wa ho coupon ko ayiko girl eyo ba ho petrol cha crowd o kwe na obo girlfriend ple to pro for meto unnecessary aldo ka ke fifi aduplo labe yele no makata nuchi na never be awodo na dukode de never be awodo o ha na kukutri na awodo na ho afetuku na wosa abeleke Ghana to mi anto kwele mi adokweji kwa amesame ne kpodo kweji nene america makava no enjoyment adeke wo wood come vibu adeke oyata ye cancel aloye tote allowance ka mo no kokko akobe petrol pejeje pleto mau ebe tonu makata no o maka ho o mai ko yo ya wa ba fuel tank no ko je ele zozo ayi ko te pa yi fia yi party unnecessary ebe ye tote no mau etonya ka gbobe no first class travel for government appointees ye pa appointees o kata o ma choko be yo yi yele mozo ko aba no first class emi to mi nyamenye gavio aba no fuma kweto be do be wa serve to come view menye be wa vanye ngogbe no la alo wa vanye agbedula be to come view jio ya ta ye stop no makata ebe ban on DSTV satellite TV subscription and Jubilee House kweto ebe abele mi ato mi anto mi apafe mo wa megede wa DSTV le mi asikleto ya FM yekena ti de sia na hefe ebe Jubilee House ye ntonto ye fe office le fima la probete ye stop no ma egagbegbele nye no ma me here crowd be du corner no fe hede no ma katanta na appointees adeko ta eje gometo ya ntogbo avayi all the government offices will later ebe enu ma onye nugede abeleke miedo na Independence Day awe gbogbo le Independence Square pleto ega pa me pleto mi ato mi pe hova edenu makata njipoto ebe awo eduko a yetipe ya gbogbo a reset ya gbogbo ko ede te fade ela benu ogbelenta na eduko do afiada mi atanka yiji awo no ma ka ke fifia enu ike na anye gagbegbele na eduko kwa ye lenu kata chom be enuma anua maka ano neno minister so ha amebubu na no me wa bobobodo kre edo ta he kodo a wa wodo de dodo manu egbonu gede ya tafifia minister so na pebe they are not sitting in their offices alone, they are going out and they are working amesame lagbagbaje be ya yepe duty abeleke dukwola ko desi ene enwe ewebe enu la focho le leti adai memiele a mi akpo ejesi na we ntonele du come ko akpo be no le totro enu o le totro eya wenye nado mi ape dukwola ko ve story mamlelia newspaper headlines so anye nchomi ka sebe military protection also for individuals, plus civilians, plus toyoa public, plus public officials, so is also cancelled. Oh, dukwela le do wonya tope. Ebe abaleke mi akpo kona medova inako military alo soja wa no ngbobo pin over yi. Enu makata be yo la mobo unjua ebe a no mama kan anyo o cancel no mapete gagbegbele yeyi gbegbele ni eya kwenye enu makata eyata abeleke isi ko elesoso ko soja amene ameton ngogbene elemegbene pleto ebe no pete menye enu nya de ke onyo du come vi eka hwasi wa made because ele dona du ko do hwasi wu mia du come vi wa mia we ko edafima eyata no kata ya na no protect ya du come vi so ya de me na protect me eyata lekonya le du come vi de sia de wo kwa appointees so kata the same thing ko wa no eyata o council that nuka military protection makata on ko kona me o individual so public officials so ko no ye ko soja lobo megbe kliko ano vovondona mo peto a enu makata mi ape duplo la ye ya ebe ye tasi no ma ye cancel no ma maka no jime no amesi amene po dogbo ni wo alabe du come na afa amareke ma ko susu for den of yon kwa amesem na zo freely ne wa wodo ne edukona ingo novi todolao enu ya onye nyado eke jole Ghana to come ncho ye me covenal aleke ne se aleke ne boy nya pe jupola pe sedo de yo blenu yo ba wo to reset Ghana de elem ya fe jiji jem nene a mi dasideji a alo me dasideji o mi anto mi ble ela be mi awe da kone novi todola ya wenye newspaper headline segment ya se hayada ne na kono tame boom na me boom na wa ekem na ode osusu aglo ene mi ayi wona ji pando music training tobe Authentic Mama, the
103.1 Ganato, Ukoya Fangoka, UN General Assembly Hall, Mashama Naruto, Authentic Mama, MFA, the top 103.1, Akapego.
Top radio back for it.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Togo, and I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic mama, MFR. Never.
Ele bobo bodetia alime sepetia Okay, novi todo lava famo. Got 10 minutes black and 92 to 6:40 p.m. You are listening to Top 103.1 Dunenyo Bobobo Show with the only authentic mama MFR. Nanya fifi afi neba etro modomi agboa yedo chato hede now ele Top Radio 103.1 FM Fafala ochi nyawe zova Dunenyo Bobobo now abaleke winto nanya egbe memenda July penkeke we are sekelia le pakpe ve bla ve tonya miele Elekpando Music Training Center Top Bobobo Brass ma penke sem efo Joseph Akpalo Elekpando efe happen cause some Hallelujah now. What I had to do now, and that was sequa. Oh, yeah, I did it. Oh, I did it. Yeah, I did it.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Thursday, and I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic mama.
Stop playing back for
Novi to the loud. My Yitima message Sado Kabakaba for my Yitima Pomona of here. Egba Megbo Agbotia of I had forget a Mava Yijiple Adondo Hado Ayata Notwaji. But Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Top radio back
Okay, echo Afeto Elias Avemegangbo Elias Avemegang. Good evening, Mama. Yeleponye live choka aswa. My greetings to Bella Aguada, Le Marina. Okay, Marina ngolo mejabe Medina ngolo leo. Play all Avemega Union both in Accra and Angloga in the Volta region. Ebe miadu ebe jimia fo mianovi Elias Avemega. Menemake sister Benis Abina Akati Catkins Benis Abina Akati. Ebe good evening, Authentic Mama, watching you live. And Wenya, my greetings to you and your team at the studio. Thank you, Kate. The Benato had the Wenya Topete, Nyawele Toaji.
Top radio back
Okay, Todolao, Mia Ayichi, Makla message o Kabakaba, ne Mia Adreso Ayenko. Mekanajibe, and new way Jolegana Feta Kaka, Meglonami. Say, I am your drado down tip, a map mona, mighty crowd. Apeto Kwame Jokoto, Ebe Selassie watching you live from Tema. Thank you, Selassie. Apeto Daniel Yegbe, Ebe, good evening, Authentic Mama One, watching you live from Weja. Okay, Weja to Akbe. John K. Agbove, Ebe, good evening, Authentic Mama. I am watching you live from Alajo. You are looking beautiful. Thank you. Apeto Kuma Anani Ebe hello Mefa Ayiko Kuma Anani Lekponye live choka aswa akpe amesia meke lekponye afreklegbe medakpe nami miawele toji miawele nukpom minami message so miele clear live
Top radio back
miele clear live le Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Miele live hanle Top FM online on YouTube. Miele live le Top Media on Facebook. Miele live le Top Radio 103.1 le TikTok. Miele live le Siana YouTube page in North America. Siana Facebook page all in North America. Okata ole miakpom Novi todo lava vao. Afisi afi kene le kwenye chwa. Leave a comment. Mi namya mi no messages so na mi anya be mi le mi akwa mi le mi ankose abeleke amebubu egbebubu wala owe ne wona atwafo yata me yo le kwenye mi share video o authentic mama fan page o me share me na mi anovio me invite you and let me know where you are watching from. Then me like play love just yado I Jimmy share links and then yanovio evio yako hana tawo abetu me view on utapene ado de yadeji e gamela so na sponsor program o hana tanko asi a share link ya none of you I invite o hana la dewo na to copy go ye yakwema amesa me pe wona no wo me na wanyoga at 10 minutes blaton vous eve todo lava vao e yakomye bia chomiasi be mi awona me my mark le messages ado mark le messages ado le Facebook na ma yiji loving your music break dancing with you here go girl someone is dancing spirit today. Okay, someone is in dancing spirit today. Can't take your eyes off you. Okay. Akpe medogbena affecto Patrick Mancha. For Mancha Patrick. Afisa African lenkonye semtwe le America. Hello. America to come hello the fake le fifi laikwa. Hana ina toke dem elemoji plemi akpenao affecto about wishing my father Mr. George K. Achu and my brothers Hope Christian Prophet Manasseh of Watered Garden Churches, Sister Kathy Bridget Tasi Aku and affecto Emmanuel Ebe blessed weekend coming from your son affecto David Copperfield Achu Agbo. Afeto David Copperfield Achu Agbo eya le fien dona etololo alofofo alolo Mr. George K. Achu enye tope daddy de ka be ve me do now daddy nenema ke efe brother so Hope Christian Prophet Manasseh amakenye church dia Top radio back Watered Garden Churches, Vejipola, Alono Nola, Sister Kathy, Bridget, Ebe Ohana, Duro de Haji, Tasi Aku, Bele, Afeto Emmanuel, Ebe Mikata mi Duro de Haji. Okay, messages oklamele quickly. Nema ayi jiname. Eyabe, good evening, Sister MFI. I am listening to you live at Kaneshi. God bless you for the good work. I'm Eric Ameho from Kaneshi. Thank you for Eric. It has been a long time. Fika eba bedo for Eric Ameho Akbebe Letwaji Egbe. God bless you for your work, Authentic Mama. Nkomele won Akbe. Eyabe Authentic. We are all loving you. Thank you so much for loving me and loving the show. Eyabe good evening, Authentic Mama. Eyaha nkomele untio. Good evening. Etodola Wokata. Eyabe Authentic Mama. Good evening.
Top radio back.
Please, I am requesting a song to my stepmother, Madam Vivian Tete of University of Ghana, Department of Distance Education from Esinam, Vinyo of Tema. Okay, that is good. Akpe, a stepmother, Ole Efiantona Ewo. Okay. We'll have a message on our family 0244 066752 text or WhatsApp the same line, Markley. Okay. Hey, good evening, Mama One. I would like. Okay. Ela Abevai Akpenao. 14 aka Achuzion. Efo Achuzion Akpen. Okay, loloto madegbe fanya nchofe akoyi amedo da apenami ameyo da konam
Top radio back.
akpena ameyo dakonam kake unfortunately akoda dameva subota metana me win award mana me ncho eyata meda akpena meyo ke jagbagba he dako just be me subo he atenwa adutio eyata nchope award ma nyemeta hwenamyo eyi bubu eke kagbo le efe afenu mekanejime no doji amseme adako makpelejifa be mi akwa award ma vename. Hello, good evening, madam. I am Jonathan from Newtown, Good News Korea. Okay, for Jonathan, Good News Korea. Okay. Well, how message nava le 0244 066752. Makle now. Afeto bright ahwen chu ebe yele moji plem yele toaji ele nkonyesem. Afeto
Akaka. Dwepa. Top radio back correct.
Akpena mi afete amesame kelesa. The message that 0244 066752 0244 066752. Meduna nyefe grandmother Gladys Abochi le abelenpe EP che Bible class me. Dada muchofedo eyom kaka mezomoye mayo emegbesia. Okay. Ona menye birthday toke o le birthday toke adodu ametondo le birthday toke du egbe amegbantonye Presbyter Kenneth Kofi Womade le. Okay. Ameyo lo fe special day du egbe kenye birthday Presbyter Kenneth Kofi Womade eya ple efe brother Braken's daughter okay Evia Ekoyobe Emilia Womade
Dwepa. Top radio back correct.
Emilia Womade eya han le birthday du egbe fufu akple Evie kata le birthday du ke nanema ke ofe fufu apreto Kenneth Kofi Womade fufu ekenye togbe akple enelia eya half a birthday eno 29th June okokata fofu eye egba o le birthday to hemadu egbe happy birthday to all of you. Presbyter Kenneth Kofi Womade ble daughter Emilia Womade bakple fofu togbe akple enelia okata miadu de ehayachi. Happy birthday agbediti lamese abokadrika nyebiana me. To authentic mama go namianto na peto Benjamin Agbofa Ashama Central PTF Clark akpe wele dojilo mia ayiji messages o klamele
Akaka.
na
Top radio back correct.
na Chief Inspector Dansu Fika, which station are you now? You're not telling me. Going out to you. This shout out is going out to you. Chief Inspector Dansu. I don't know if MF or I don't know. Which station again? I don't know. Medina here is going out to you. Okay. Afeto Patrick Ajatu. Kenya Siana Tope Secretary. For Patrick Ajadu. Siana Secretary. For Patrick Ajadu. L'America to come. Oha le twaji ebe yo le ponye le nkonye sem is going out to you. For Patrick Ajadu. Secretary of Siana. Pele Siana members opete especially I may only host this year Dallas to president for them in Dallas president play sister Irene play bubo kata Yoruba Metro Hogbele Dallas Texas this 29th August ye wonagbo Siana convention 2025 convention anoji le Dallas Cowboy to ogbo display ogbe nami le afima ta nene dibia Siana na jejajrado wala be wona ajegome agespen keke blave vasie kelia la fima l'America to come na no jajrado ado tafuma yayi avadiga akovena amonutua awodona amonutua be wayingo akpena me yele eji yin ye yade be na yom ade susu glo chonu yo na se be ejo especially nyafe diplola fe measures you according to me expenditure be President John Mahama's expenditure cost cutting measures. President cost cutting measures towards resetting of Ghana. Introduction alonu yo eseyo blenu yo according to me be yado egagbegle nuda lejikome be ega nanno dukosi yakokolo duko eduko na ingo. Yemeglobe all travel by his appointees require presidential approval. America makacho abe appointee ko acho abe zomoya abruchi yezomoya fi yezomoya president emanya akpobe hia ba wayi alome hia eganene le involve pleto na wa na wayi lo ma na wayi pleto kata ebe le no ma cancel ebe cancel for allowance petro yo na now government appointees so yo ya mejene do ko ne ana coupon so why ko aba fuel tank na opleto anu chacha no yi ebe no makata maka no eji azon ela be gagbegle ameyo ni exceptional waso ameyo ehia department alo minister so ado fe areas yo here be wana amewa eya o wale nkodobo ton anawa mi kakeme yo kana mi government appointed dey say ko wa kono afisi afi ya no gbegble a ebe maka no eji menel. No first class travels for government appointees areke ma chole yefi kobe na koya ya ba no first class le plane pletoma ebe ya ha maka no joga gbegble ene no economy ha na ya agbo ene no first ha na ya agbo ta nya manage nya reset Ghana na Ghana gavalia eke manu ma wa tanka truck but for now ya be out ban on DSTV satellite TV subscription and whatever like Jubilee House and is going to extend to all the government sectors so ha ena do fuku kuna kbe gagbegle ko le gbegble na to ko a to lava de si be meka hia ya de no makatanda ministers so bagbo so fun
top radio back correct
ministers so bagbo so fun one yi up and down wa po ano pajaro me ano aka security pleto cat no makata to 60 new york system ministers ebe yele no si anu gbododo ela be no gleta yele resetting every aspect of this country yo kakwe military protection withdrawn from enuka civilians and public officials so ayi afiabe kona po soja o la mobo pleto police la mobo soja yo e soja bodo a ele o le be wa wo kakia o ba ko dodo fu ko plao o le wo wa na mo nju anu yi pete ebe that no is unnecessary na du come fa du come nyu a nukataye amedo ya wano security na oye du come view ya de e ya tameka hia no madeke kra ya cancel no makata no vi todo lao egba duplola
top radio back correct
egba duplola ele amonuto me agaveji eye wole so cutting wala fama be wa the second phase of the Keta Sea defense agome be echima kanomia no via olem la fama ekenye chonko alo no yo be nuka tidal way say enugbele na wa ebe yava to see defense second phase awenye be echi afe amelele enu na to emele no po a mia pe dupola le amonuto ame le domaji le wowom na amonuto ame to aleke miekpo eye nyakele miasi cho nyayo katami se direction eke mia pe dupola le yide is it in the right direction or not a support your ideas so allow you may support you and introduction of the one levy energy sector levy man once the energy sector levy man ejegome from 16th kuda eva 16 July kwa eje implementing ejegome yata
top radio back correct
nene jamia amijela kwa yakpebe wa ekpedun be wako adonudo le mia fe chick pla fe nyayo light nyaome be no na nyo leke miekwe de osusu blo edoji azo be na yom eye na yom le 0303 944 864 0303 0303 944 864. Hello. 020 376 9562. 020 376 9562. Ado susu glo la pasi akpa eke ne susu aleke ne ekwe edupoklo la leji yinye a. So far is it so good or so far so bad? Leke ne kwofe conduct so ble abegbanto le moji. Okay, hello, from Meto. Hello. Hello. Ellen Konyesa. Hello. Is it on?
Hello.
Hello, Apometo. Wait, I'm calling Afina Yacho. America.
No, Apoto Elidoku Fifa.
Okay, for Elidoku.
For now,
Mauta. Medical, you know.
And the Mako the Yako Jukola Eledowo. In Okata, or cover the Epedo, I let the door, I may set the message to the necessary.
Okay.
Whether I'm a slammer after a guy with you,
okay.
I wish I knew and you got a mountain name, Lama Sepra, baby.
Okay. 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 Akpe na wo ha akpe mi awe populeko amebubu na gedeme no vi torola ayom yele phone in segment azo. Hello Apometo. Hello. Hello Vanessa. Where so? Good evening. Yeah, evening. Yeji enko okla fine oche. Hold on, sister. Madako, hold on now 1 minute. Ne mahonwe. Ellen Konyesa. Leko yona Africa na le yacho yijinam.
Comfort, my yacho lagadi.
Akpe yiji osusude.
Yawe mako vile
Madako yiji lo.
Aye, Madako yoga president Edon.
Okay.
Edon Tagabaja.
Okay.
I can you never feel you have to over once you live here. And you have you. I am yet to put you over, can you blame you? Oh, brother, your father, if you are doing that, you have to tell me you have you.
Yeah, once you open one city, then open a call once, senya. Open a call once the cocock you, Jupolaune, Yakodo, Miafe, Alumiafe, Chicla, no, the menu, Chicla, no, G, once the Nano Kotokume Namiwa. Hello.
Once you get here, every day.
And then one city. Ne wakokpede wade wansi de ekeneje wade wansi de mako akọ light no menyo wa
anu na wansi de menyo bana efiaba ale ogun efiaba na yi na ji what the Lisa Moa, what the once the Lisa Moa,
yeah, be light of man Miagova, be a donava, Miapetimiano, or the Menua. Die, Macana Yabon, and no bear, Namedena de Gaco or dog, and Yakwe or dog, I know bear, Mawado, how Mac, and no Hana for the Nami de Alo. Akpe ameveleto ji.
What do gona and me kata tiro. Ego ti tama ga do gona ko me kata
wase akpe. Okay.
Na wo ta atolo we le doji egawo gele si dan ko mo gele la ya mi.
Akpe. Hello. Mala kuma ko be. Bobo ready ala Africa tanoji.
Okay, let's me follow.
Mauta. Ne fonye.
Ne follow madado kata.
Akpe.
Nada ko mi president ya.
Nko plafina yo legba afina iji.
Okay, oya na bela apostle Moses.
Okay.
Mala yo yoncho itlego.
Mala kuiji.
Yeah, mi president mo poba ele do ompa.
Okay.
Because every 6 months here, we put the drug day.
Okay.
Ela bana ya banya mi mala ka mo na timido.
Okay.
Poba ipo baba ni pasindo do.
I see.
Because gale because the Germany no like you me da pene do no.
Okay.
Ada bana once the lady akabanya ne bloody for 1 liter or
one liter ye the car 1 liter wa the 1 kilometer I depend ne je kakia na me compare egama hewa de ple wakoso ne ke obe yo ko wo be 24-hour economy na light na ibe watan ko wo do ma mechanic be Mark Blackpool, hello.
No, kaka mi ya tabara for any kaka da for the meantime ya.
Okay. Wa va de menam ye megbenwe de.
Nya da para ka go for go nya o nya ana da ya ha da baba mi da nya Blackpool.
Okay. Malaku. Wa ba ble ma ka mo vesia. Donc, on a fait
advancement of vitamin C to Qatar, Papa Nyafanolo, Tol, Kaka, Apamada, Miss Degon, Jacqueline. Yes,
Amen. Bye. Hello, Afro. Mama Patty, like I was. My phone today.
It's a video command of free.
I saw video command of free. The best I say I down there.
I mean, the best day down.
I put them out. What a queasy.
No, you come out that Panama for Mahama. Mahama would on the one let go.
Okay.
You remember petrol amiawa ejina munto because I don't get the no waka to go kwa machine olo oba nyazo no meta ko no kuwela ayo wali na eloquent
okay
ya do beda de ta ma une do se do kata do to ma
wawe
batoma we wai
I'm a little engineer of that
na wonto
okay
na kuko fia godinsi petrol la kata yo nya todo tu sapat ko ten kwa ndo bena metemelo
hello apemeto hello madako elamojia wezo hello wezo apemeto nko pafina yo chire madako
ma yo cho agape na ba fudo
photo madako iji
ama ko mo la
okay
that apa ina yawo ita
oh, okay.
Anyopa, what the Amanya and I came out.
Okay.
I like a mirror on your equal.
Yeah, queer.
Kaka, we can never mother not daddy. No, thoughts or that. I just thought like the Mavan of my equal.
Gana Pena.
Whatever they do to me without home.
Yeah, Quima.
I'm a gabba of ground.
Yeah.
It I mean,
okay.
I'm
a velato to be a no.
Madonna, I did you for my like I back like a cata.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Okatawasi.
Okay. William Gakama Badomino.
Okay, break a layer. Yafi. Hello, Apemeto. Hello. Ellen Konyasa. Hello. Madako Akpe Eugene call Crafine Achoi. Hello. Hello, for number. Okay, Bemele Radio. Hello, Apemeto. Where's your breaker? Like Kenya Fiame. Hold on, ne break another no for now, can no for number buta, make pick another, so hold on for me. Break away, so Medina to Akpe, Kasan Kopo.
Oh, video.
As a one. Eba Chikaswa. That's what you ask and Konya Fide. That's what let's see.
And you have had your other jihad. May follow you before they will really at your mawa. You make me for your body.
Yeah.
And your man brother, let me put what you want. And you put you for I won't go off.
Okay.
Never can you get a cake shower. Open your body, the ministers you can organ.
Okay.
Gaka bow money for how you could guys.
Okay.
And mother, the jack or credit.
Okay.
You have much pass here, okay? You have Jukola last year. You put much pass here, okay? And you put cost here to cut.
Okay.
Come on, cut my credit.
Okay.
And then the mother of our Jukola level, charity fish like.
Yeah.
You can every include water, you can, and the woman, you have a papa, the your mamma, you can from the one side the door. I can Microsoft, camera, semashi, talkie.
Okay.
I cool it.
Okay.
But one city.
Yeah.
After you made a bicycle last night, I got I want to be a better one.
I was so no Bamadi.
Oh, Daniel Brokers who got a new I knew we tell your mamma and it was there near Catania for one city. All the way to go to Milan, you are. So I can touch you. No, I never want to do a for. You are called when you feel like none was terrible. Now we got share gamma. Problem, you.
Okay.
Because no, I never much of taking a bob out of home. Could see what you are. Oh, no, I don't know about Dominican.
Don't venna crackwa.
Oh, no, I know about Dominican.
Okay.
Once you are never bring back a village and not for account when you were poor in the element, so I come in near it.
Okay.
You can have your tree amount.
Okay.
And it's time you put the banter, you know, to come you collect your captain, profession to cut them with the mouth. Oh, Madam Agnes, your Mama V. I told you, because like a good dog.
I wait till I'm black. Wait till I'm black. Hello. Efonya, where's all? Marakukuyo. Labadi, give a new letter to now. Okay. 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 Marakuku Akpe. Nyawe Pukle. Hello, Apemeto.
Hello.
Maraku Weso.
Maraku
Lonko Kwafine Yachi.
Maraku President Mama, no.
Okay.
Let's hear now community of
Okay.
and that will be a menu. I will come and I in the air for a while.
Okay. That made that see that one or Katanji so far. Okay. I'm a little
No one for no guy no black fan and Batman. You know I say for you.
That's a more.
Okay.
Bye. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
For Joffrey, Agbojushi. So, Maracuyo, I bet I'm told. Okay.
No, we don't want to have one for
Yes, yeah. Okay. I'm a Veletoji. Okay. Okay. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Hello. Madam, from Corporate.
Comfort, my young topic farm.
Okay, anti-comfort, Veletoji.
And I can never make it check. And not. But we go. No, I don't mind Morocco. Yes, I obey. I don't do quarter. No, so I don't do quarter. If I can formula, I know for Qatar. I will. Everybody, Mama, no,
Amen. I'm a Veletoji, don't know.
I'm a Bishop Niaku Ode, Jubilee Palasa.
Okay.
Bishop Akunia.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Ellen Koyasa. Hello. Hello. Okay, if you're Melang Joka. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
My late. Where's so? Okay. 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 Hello, Apameto. Hello. 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 Okay. Kokem. Todolao, yellow phone in segment, top 103.1 FM, Papa Laoji, Authentic Mama, MFA, pledge to Nenyo Bobobo, Baklanya Jojo, now friend Cos Samuel, Yefifia, Yedo phone in segment, newspaper headline, New Way Job, Le Cosame Peta, Pekaka, Yenny Lemia Press so dead blow. Hello? Away from metal. Call laughing at your tree. Madacuelo. Madacuelo. Let go now. Madacuyi, sister.
You are Pene, Lola, the daughter.
Okay.
Mauna Yire, and they are down. So I want to have you go back.
Okay.
I go back, people are there. Nusrola, let go, Mother. I have a jump. Now, Nusrola, you're just about, oh, we have a church, Kawa. My bed, baby, let's Wata dukura kele tonyewa ogere keta misuo malo ayanglo misuo meledowa maune irebe ya pechochwa eke
okay
apene maune ire
amen amen vele toju
yo ka tanto ile keta nyonu fia mamaga bi
okay
edo fia ene residency
okay
edo fia ene St. Francis Kotobabi to petelo
yeah medena St. Francis Kotobabi to petelo okay bye hello Eletwajia okay hello ayom le 0303 944 864 Adeosu Suglo 0303 944 864 Amadole yonyele nyentope 0244 Matankwe telephone melekos hola fima ota nene yom la fima Matankwe medota flache yom le 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 nene yom la fima mahwe eye na awhana gede moji
Top radio back correct.
Gade Gandre minute blavevo Andre AIFO 727 top 103.1 yele phone in segment me lejuno bobo shaji le mia peso so dead block to aleke duplo la kole do aklom le cost cutting measures you o cover be gagbegban vivi vodenu anado yo men hianwa elo jide poto leke miao dumevio mi ko le ho enyonamia alo menyonamio hello where is up meto nko plafi na le no fotoe
Akunko le Edmond Kumasa
okay
we yo Klagon fish number
okay nyele to jefo Kumasa
wala kuku ya fufuru John Tanani Bahama fufuru ne akosusu le ya afaru akosusu le jukokata ta ya gobe akpeko ya dani
okay
agole nyebe America tama buchu shuo ayo suswala mu
okay
tani ada koni nyajima mamko na masali
okay
o tawo je
okay amevele toji
na magbanto na ine oto
okay
avele na ine fuya Albert Kutaki
okay Amasamada wasi now see Klagon told me adogbelu amen okay novi to dolao eya ha ya to Klagon le Ashama Bola Fama Ohana Twayo 0303944864 Makwa Maton Mamleo Ekmama Foha Agboti ya Opeha Oyichi Abawunu Pole Adondo Hadika Efe Apawu Wonano Aleke Woha Nekpoto Miape Duplo Lape resetting fair cost cutting measures yo Okode Etome Hele Wobe afiyo ke egano gbeglento na dukoa ya chi tepe makata no na Ghana no dukosi ya ko 24-hour economy view when talk lives you kata miata idome amedena yude agbo amedena yudo agbo amedena ifia ina adena iza nke wa trogbo pleto na duko Ghana nyo mi kata mi akpo jijo na uti fafame aleke nekpo now hello where's up metal
odo zaba
efonye doji
Baby, I want to see your market.
Akpe, you let to Gina for doji.
mo da kono abale don ko tu ko bata do jena
akpe
apa ko modom do kata ma ko da kono kata me do kata
akpe
ya kama ya jona mo matala ya ko jela atene don kama ne mama ko o ko kata nhưng mà mà chặt cái đó cái chỗ cái mà đặt cái này cái chỗ đợt mò mua rồi
okay
cái cái gì mà nó đặt luôn à em mà đặt luôn gì giá cái cái gì bị ra bắt như thế này
okay akpe ame vele tojina fo doji
mà đi nó ổn to mà đi nó em đi xem nó kata
mama the 103.1 FM okay Novi Tilulao, there was Susublo 0303944864 or 020-376-9562. Authentic Mama, Junenyo Bobo Boklenya Jojo now, think of some nele. Yele phone in segment yeme. Blow, mag blow, kaneu, a look blow, mag blow, menye jiro nyo, et coffin goyi, effort to do, eyako miele. Makomon Popoya, Madog Beto, Hedena, Honorable Emmanuel, Kwesi Bedra. Honorable Bedra who West of MP, any special MP ade nami le South Akpekpeme, enya make ebobodo kwe, a make ebobodo kwe fa eye uhona, a mesia me atu, nene kacho consistency me kacho, nanya veto, e vevi kenya yuekwa, etonana ame, eya ofu kwado ye timile, MP ado le South Akpekpeme. Since Oduji, and a lawyer pa, Omakokos ado, Omakokoso. Ameyo, hele wana makatanwa, ye kalegbona. 4 years ya, the Colemegbela fin. Ke, abeleke miato minya, MP de se adeke ma yoz de kaze vezeton. Bewa va moji, apo nuple efe dume to, alope consistency o lemnya moyaji, ne wagba, mana mianya, aleke nya kele miato siya, miaglo. Efe ya alo, afi nye do fifia na dupoklo penya wa. Amadeke me kalefo me wo. Amesia me miela media me yo buku ano a komia pe enyao de jigbo nenye be exactly keli nemye yo watonami a honami a yo buku tinyele ame yo ayi se otakpepe ma wodo nyatepeto akọ constituency openya wa yafuma agbogbo konya yo to parliamenters ayi afe alo constituency togbo anawa nya ne keleji du come peto wa yo buku miele titi ye mebe makane maglobe honorable Kwesi Bedra is one of such person. He is chairman of the Eve Caucus Hale South Akpekpeme. Intuma Maunadla Agbede Tene. Eho West o Mikpo MP Nyade Mikpo MP Nyade mi alebene. Ne mi atawa kana wa aka ilefe ne keka agbokrapo mi atankana. Emegbe afe mi atanda sile wa aya ha megblen crowd. Congratulations. Mano echi abotafo na MP desi de ke mi pobe ofe no na le efia to delegato dia fifia eyanye get fund so eyanye CEO alo chairman of get fund ha ele dowo alegbegbe akpe MP so ha mi poti abotanami kene mi yo mi de kazi vezeton ene mi nyagbebe yumava radio ti ava do mi anto mi adegbe an afonu na mi anya no ekeleji yile South Akpekpe me pele no eke mi le gbogbo na du come view pele constituency view kwa mi ado bo nkode moji nya ekele mi anto sia ekema mi abia wa lo mi aglodo da wo nto wa sela ya me akpena mi Ghana du ko efe ya afi mi do fifia NDC make afia be voter towa mi le now forever ao make le sigbo Nova efene ya lobonko ni dibe mi akpo enu eketututu wa wona mi la munuto me ya mi apedukola ewo etosunu for now ekebe etia amunuto me to gede abe ministers we ne gede abe CEO ene gede ple tefe do board members ple todo ene fifia ekuda memito ho ti acho monuto me to gbo wa wodeka eye wa hengo yido ava amonuto me no meta wewa eke majuko mi kata ha mi anya eye mi anya kemi agblonao la yame claim ya pe consistency o ya ta fe ya menya kodi fe nya onye crowd amonoto ton ha mi di enu gede le amonoto me be efene ya mi ho mi akpo nu gede re mi anya be no ra fi de nye World Bank a efia be enu drado fe afuma nye noa ya ta na fuma nye noa na endisia o maka aglobe miao enu gede anu mi ahia wa ba no na fi bubuto mi apenku bia eye mi an toe to toe na duplo haya la be miawe na ole alo menye se gbe mi ato miawe na ole yata o meka gbo excuses ade ke hogbo promise this ade elebe wa wodo chinami amonoto ameto menye nenewa epene ke kagbo mi ato mi abususu anyaleke mi awela bo maka komi awo adiako la amonoto ama mi ha mi deserve better mekanage be mi kwese matitiwa honorable Kwame Boja, Minister for Roads and Highways, Amande Ko Eva Moji, Emi akpo bede so far, leti adeson, makpabele chachale tepete po ile mo onya. Amonuto mede dodo ka ele sinami, amonuto me, obe amenovime no yokuji odu agbogbo a o. Eyata, nemi anovin to la fuma ma du gbogbo agbedekegbo. Mi abi efe no chocho mi akpo uncho makpabe yi Eastern Corridor side, ba check no emo inspection ado. So far de leke no kole yi amunuto me pe mo gede o menyo na mi abia fe susu la be fe ne ya afikole nchokoye na mi o ma no megbe mekanage be mi ko idea ni achi mi da se de jinam de mi se hayada mi akoko down Authentic mama, the 103.1 Authentic mama, the 103.1
Can I
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, the
'Cause
It has been a long time. Okay, no vitula agbotia to go over Hasamele. Epeyama Siana to Mesebe Olekoi Siana Wabawa Entertainment. Now I hire up Lebubado Akova Digital. Namian of you America to come. If you are agbotia out here. Mechanics make agbo ale metro gbe ale ko won e chan kakia egbe ale tefe e ya be Cynthia sister Cynthia emefa ebe we le dojilo akpe sister emefa Cynthia later be a picture I think Apeto Kwame Joko to be Selassie watching you live from Tema FO Selassie akpe kaka Nenemake Apeto Francis Nyako Apeto Francis Nyako ebe yeletuaji Apeto ebe hello to all the Kawawa Association in London Feltham okay ebe happy birthday to Perpetual Ashiagbo from Chris. Okay, from Chris. Okay, if you be on your life to London, you be Magdo hello na the Kawawa Association talk at if you be on your habobo le London la fuma apeto Daniel Yegbe ebe good evening authentic mama yele ponye live to wager Okay, if on your Francis hi, authentic mama, good evening. Live to Medina. My hot greetings to all voter diaspora caucus members at Medina La Quantana branch. Midu de Haji Rebecca Jagajobe, good evening, authentic mama. Live Master C Kotokabe, good evening, mommy. God bless you for the good work we are doing for Mother Ghana. Live to Makati Hills. Okay, Bula Bubu Kata. Okay, I bet you burn a lot of calories with your dancing today. Good work. Yes, so like a mawe. Akbe agbotia ofeha me kole eji nami makafo the kana me hafi ke eya be echo bonye na afeto Joseph Fordie elen konye sem alo le ponye live to USA. Melekoko meka le cause deke hota melekoko meka le cause ho hados ya mi cause over message so me to mark quickly na me yata me data flash message so me mark boda mark kaba only YouTube was live, Facebook wasn't streaming. Okay. 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 Akpe todo lava vao ye ya ha lem for kuya. Authentic mama, God bless you for the good work you are doing. Thank you. Nkomele wo. Ina okay. Mano haya fo afima ayi china mi se haya da aguti okay. Good evening, Auntie MFA. Thank you for the good work you are doing. God richly bless you. Please, today is my junior sister, Ruby Mawena Gavos' birthday. So I want to wish her happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish her all the best and God richly bless her and favor her in all that she does. Please, my name is Fa. Okay, my name is Fa. Attentive mama, good evening. Please, I am requesting a song for my stepmother.